Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a quiz in HostSinger website builder. This is a demonstration of the quiz that you will see how to add in your website. Let's answer these questions quickly to see the result. This, as you can see, I got a score of 0 on 4. Now, the first step is to log into your HostSinger account. Go to websites and hit websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me and you have lots of multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between different websites, between WordPress websites and other websites built using HostSinger Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is HostSinger Builder icon. Now click on this edit website button. This is my website in HostSinger website builder, and let's say that I want to add my quiz in this blank section. All I need to do is to click on add element from this left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this element called embed code. Just like that. Now hit this enter code button, delete this existing code, and copy this code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to attach this code to the this video description, just let me know in the comments below. Paste the code here and hit embed code. This is the result, or this is our quiz. Now let's update my website to see this quiz live. View site. Let's scroll down and this is the quiz. Let's reply to this. Let's get a correct answer. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter, Mars, Venus. I don't know, so I will go with Jupiter, for example. 2 plus 2 equals 5. As you can see, I got a score of 2 on 3. Now that we've seen how to create or how to add a quiz in HostSinger website builder, or let's see how to add our own questions. Let's analyze this code first. As you can see, color white, let's give it black and see the difference. This is the color responsible for the text. You can go with this white. I will keep it white. Quiz container. You can also edit the width of the quiz container, which is this box. I will go to just 50%. By the way, this our quiz is also optimized for mobile devices. Let's preview it in this smartphone preview. As you can see, it is well optimized also for mobile. And let's see the margin. I think it is the top margin. Margin bottom, question, options, hover, button. You can edit the button. Let's play with the button font text. As you can see, you can make the button bigger just by editing the font size below the button. You can also edit the result step, font size, and also the margin top. You can edit this simple quiz sentence from here. Ben's funny quiz. As you can see, what is the capital of France? And from here you can edit the questions. Now what is the capital of France? Here you add your own sentence, or my bad, question, and here you give the quiz two options with the third one which is correct, and here you give it the correct answer, and it should be the exact same answer in order to not have errors in your quiz. Same thing here, this is the second question and also the third question. And if you want to add another question, simply copy starting from here to the end of the last question, copy it like that and place it just like that. Let's hit, or before that, the added question will be called added question, and these are the options, and the correct answer is 4. Now let's run the code again. Berlin, next, Earth, next, 3, next, and this is my added question. I will give the correct answer, and I should have a score of 1 on 4. And this is how to play a little bit with the quiz code. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting a website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting a website builder, how to set up and design your website inside hosting a website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's embed this code again to make sure that it is working. After editing, delete this code, paste your code here, and hit embed code. Update your website. And let's view this website live. Berlin, Jupiter, 3, and the last question is correct answer is 4. As you can see, I get a score of 2 on 4. And this is how to add a quiz in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.